aldosterone is important in the pathophysiology of heart failure. In a double-blind study, we controlled 1,663 patients who had severe heart failure, a left ventricular ejection fraction of no more than 35%, and were being treated with an ACE inhibitor, a loop diuretic, and in most cases digoxin. A total of 822 patients were randomly assigned to receive 25 milligrams of spironolactone daily and 841 to receive placebo. The primary endpoint was death from all causes. Result: the trial was discontinued early after mean follow-up period of 24 months because an interim analysis determined that spironolactone was efficacious. There were 386 deaths in the placebo and 244 in the spironolactone group. This 30% reduction in the risk of death among patients in the spironolactone group was attributed to a lower risk of death, both deaths from progressive heart failure and sudden deaths from cardiac causes. The frequency of hospitalization for worsening heart failure was 35% lower in the spironolactone group than in the placebo group. In addition, patients who received spironolactone had a significant improvement in the symptoms of heart failure as assessed on the basis of the New York Heart Association functional class. Gynecomastia was reported in 10% of men who were treated with spironolactone as compared with 1% of the men in the placebo group. The incidence of serious hypokalemia was minimal in both groups of patients, which is the following statement because of the most accurate interpretation of results from the aforementioned clinical trial. So, thing is, spironolactone was efficacious. Deaths in the placebo groups were 46% and 35%. So deaths were also less in the spironolactone group. 30% risk reduction in the death among patients in the spironolactone group was attributed to lower risk of both death from progressive heart failure and sudden death from cardiac causes. Frequency of heart hospitalization was also less in the spironolactone group. So the thing is, spironolactone group, in addition to standard therapy, substantially reduced the risk of morbidity and death in the patient with severe heart failure. So the primary endpoint and most essential finding within this study was that substantial reduction of morbidity and mortality in patients with severe heart failure who were supplemented with spironolactone therapy apart from the standard therapy. These results were shown to be statistically significant given the p-value of less than 0.001. The mortality rate, M, is defined as the number of deaths in a group of population, scaled to the size of that group of population per unit time. It is calculated as M equal to D upon P, where D is the number of deaths within a given time period and P is the size of the population.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.